Hey guys, it's Caitlin Morris. I teach technology at Signature Premier Properties, and today we have another Kvcore tutorial for you. Kvcore is an all-inclusive CRM to help you run your business on autopilot, and it's free for all Signature agents. I'm going to show you, there's a presentation flyer in here that you could print out with just a few clicks that is branded to you. It's about your marketing strategy, and it pretty much just highlights all of the capabilities of Kvcore. So if you're going into a listing presentation or need something on the fly, you could just print it out right away. All you're gonna do is go to marketing on the left-hand side and click on Core Listing Machine. In a new window, this will open, and then at the top, you're gonna go to marketing and then presentation flyer. From here, the only thing you have to customize is you have to choose your color theme. I'm just gonna go with black and click Create Flyer. Each color theme looks a little different. Once it loads, you'll have this flyer branded to yourself and explaining your marketing strategy, and you can download it, print it out, email it to someone, whatever you want to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Signature or technology, please send me a message and let me know what other videos you'd like to see from me.